Hello and welcome to CloudFox Hub. My name is Bhavesh Atara. In this video, we are going to talk about SNS and SQS integration. This topic is really very important because it is widely used pattern and in AWS exam, they are also asking questions related to it. So let's start. First of all, I am going to start with introduction. SNS and SQS integration is design pattern where Amazon SNS distributes messages, multiple SQS queues receive those messages. The design is commonly known as fan-out pattern. This is widely used in scalable event-driven architectures. Now the question is, why should I do this, right? Why should I use SQS queue along with SNS? So I'm going to explain you over here. First of all, step 1, important clarification. I know that now you have clear idea about this. We already discussed about it in the previous video as well, but still, before I'm going to explain you this integration, this is the most important part. First, understand clearly, SNS is not a queue. SNS does not store messages for long term. SNS is a message distributor. As soon as publisher will send message, it is going to immediately broadcast these messages to multiple subscribers. It receives message and immediately pushes it to the subscribers. It does not act as a durable storage layer like SQS, right? Now, I have this one scenario and this is actually problem. Now, what are the problems? We are going to discuss about this. So let's understand this. Imagine publisher send message to SNS. Here we have publisher who is actually sending message to SNS. SNS pushes these messages to billing system, inventory system and shipping system. Look at this. It is immediately sending this message to all the multiple system. Now, suppose billing system is slow, inventory system is down, or shipping system is overloaded. So the issue is SNS not going to store this message, right? It is immediately broadcasting this message to the different systems or services. Now these services are actually not working properly right now. So what will happen? Since SNS pushes instantly, if subscriber cannot process properly, message loss, delivery failure, system overload, SNS alone does not buffer message safely like a queue, right? So whenever SNS is actually going to broadcast this message, your subscriber must be ready and they can process these messages immediately. If they are not able to receive this message, there will be loss of the message, right? Now we don't want this loss. Okay, we don't want to lose any message. Now in this case, what you can do? This is the design. Here we have publisher. Publisher is sending message to SNS. Now SNS is not sending messages directly to all the systems. Instead of this, there is a queue for all the services. So here we have SQS billing queue, inventory queue and shipping queue. Now what is actually happening? SNS is doing normal thing, right? It is going to broadcast these messages to all the queue. Now queue can store these messages, so message will be stored in the queue. Even though if your billing system, inventory system, shipping systems are not ready, no need to worry because SQS provides buffering, so the message will be stored over there. And whenever your billing system or inventory system will be ready, it will pull the message and then it is going to process. It means there is no loss of the data. So here you will get advantage of SQS. So to solve this, we attach SQS queue as a subscriber. Now the flow become publisher, SNS, SQS queue and consumers. Instead of publishing directly to the application, SQS pushes this message to SQS. And SQS stores the message reliably. So now SNS is not sending messages directly to the billing system or inventory system or shipping. It is going to forward or broadcast these messages to the queue. Now queue will store these messages safely, right? So why SQS fixes the problem? Now here we are adding queue in between them, right? So why SQS queue? SQS queue provides durable message storage, retry mechanism, visibility timeout, dead letter queue, control consumption rate. So these are the facilities, or we can say that advantages of SQS that you will get over here. We already discussed about all these terminologies during our SQS training, right? So if you don't know about it, go to the SQSQ videos, watch it out, you will get idea about it. I'm not going to repeat this because if I'm going to repeat it, it will take more time. Okay, so you will get all these advantages. So now, benefit of SNS plus SQS.
Thanks for watching. To continue learning AWS with structured lessons, real labs, practice tests, and live sessions with Bhavesh Atara, join our full course at www.cloudfolkshub.com. For any help, call 982-575-7737. All course details are provided in the description.